Let's see what is available for harvest to eat. I think there must be some beans here ready. So, yes, these are the dwarf beans, as we call it, green beans. And this is the perfect size for eating. And if I don't pick them now, the plant stops. They think that the plant thinks that it has done its job, shuts down. So it has something to do with the hormone. I think that's auxin or another one. That if you don't remove the leading branch or something like that, they will stop. So anyway, some harvest here. There's a few more there. That resets the clock of the plant. So, a few beans here. I see a few here also, which I will harvest. If I don't, the plant will not produce. I never had beans so early, and I think it's all because of the polytunnel. The environment here is really suitable for them. The flowers you see are the potato flowers. And I think that is enough for one meal. We have other greens to use with that. Look at this white currant, there's so much here. And it goes all the way down and up and across. And this is just one plant, I have several of this.